an incident of national significance. There are a lot of questions being asked, not just about specifically with regard to the certificates for the UPSC, but also if you go back to MBBS. We are talking about a case where were there certificates allegedly forged? And if that has happened, was this one case? And sadly, in the case of Pooja Khedkar, it's not just about her anymore. Her mother and father's issues also have been brought in public domain. You're looking at some of the documents India Today has independently accessed and verified to help you understand what precisely happened in this case. Just to tell you a background, that she applied for a mental illness and visual impairment disability to qualify for civil services. Tried to obtain a third medical certificate from a hospital, but the request was rejected by medical facility, and the officials who examined her, the medical practitioners, rejected that disability. This was in 2022 when he had tried. And yet she managed to get a certificate that was cleared from the outside. This has to be an internal verification process. So that's why questions are being raised. However, on her own side, her line of defense is that this is an unjustified media trial. She's innocent until proven guilty, and there is a special committee to which she will rightly respond. But why I said it's not just about her anymore. One of her mother's videos, brandishing a pistol, threatening farmers, has also been circulated widely, and that raises a question, is the whole family high on power?
तीसरे सर्टिफिकेशन को लेकर बात सामने आई है। आपने पुणे के अस्पताल में अप्लाई किया था फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी के लिए, लोकोमोटिव डिसेबिलिटी के लिए, वहां पर आपके एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट हो गए।
वही मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि ये जो टेक्निकल चीज़ें हैं तो आप मुझे पूछ रहे हैं, उन्होंने इसीलिए एक एक्सपर्ट कमेटी इस्टेब्लिश की है, और जो भी इसके टेक्निकल डिटेल्स है और जो भी मेरा सबमिशन है, आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव दैट। मैंने आपको कल भी यही बोला था, मैं आज भी आपको यही बोल रही हूँ कि लेट द एक्सपर्ट कमेटी डिसाइड, let the experts decide. Obviously, I am no one to say, you are no one to say, common public is no one to say. The experts in that specific field, the experts of government, they will decide. I am very sure that whatever is the truth, whatever it is, it will come in front of the council.
उन्होंने NT3 कैटेगरी में एडमिशन लिया था, बिलोंगिंग टू वंजारी कम्युनिटी, तो उसके कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट है, वैलिडिटी है, कास्ट वैलिडिटी, और नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट है। नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट इसीलिए लगता है कि अगर वो नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो उसको जनरल कैटेगरी कंसिडर किया जाता है, तो उसको NT3 में एडमिशन मिला था।
मतलब नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट अगर उसके पास है, उसका वैलिडेशन भी है, तो MBBS की उसकी फीस भी पूरी सरकार ने भरी।
हाँ बराबर, सरकार ने भरी पूरी फी।
नॉन क्रिमिनल से तो एडमिशन लिया, नॉन क्रिमिनल था वो तो गवर्नमेंट वैलिडिटी थी, तो आपको ये तो मतलब आपकी जिम्मेदारी की, आपने उसे कंसिडर करना पड़ा आपको। लेकिन दूसरी बात यह है कि अभी जब वो UPSC अपीयर कर रही है तब उसे मेंटल इलनेस हो या फिर मल्टीपल डिसेबिलिटीज हो, ये अलग अलग दिखाई दे रहे हैं। क्या आपके पास उसका कुछ उस वक्त का मेडिकल फिटनेस के सर्टिफिकेट अवेलेबल है जिसमें ऐसे कुछ उसका जिक्र किया हुआ है?
मेडिकल फिटनेस सर्टिफिकेट तो देना ही पड़ता है, उसका है अपने पास, और उसमें डिसेबिलिटी कोई
इसी फाइल में है?
हाँ है।
ओके।
और उसके लिए डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट कोई नहीं है, इसके लिए सेपरेट सर्टिफिकेट लगता है, वो नहीं है हमारे पास।
तो वो जो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट दिया है उसमें एग्जैक्टली जिक्र क्या है?
दैट शी इज फिट फिजिकली एंड मेंटली टू अंडरगो MBBS कोर्स, ऐसा है, एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज लिखा है उसमें।
Absence of disabilities. So in 2007, while she was taking admission here, she had no disabilities.
She was fit physically and mentally.
My colleague Omkar Wable has been trying to connect the dots and investigate also independently to understand what's happening. Omkar, she's constantly stating that there's a committee formed. She'll respond to that. That's also protocol. She cannot speak much right now. But what do you think will the committee look at? Because as and when you are connecting the dots, you can see that there are definitely discrepancies and there are questions being asked over what happened.
Exactly, Pooja, we can say how the Pandora box is open now. So one thing is exposed that she applied from the non-criminal OBC quota. Already the director from the Kashibai Navle MBBS college, he's already spoke to India Today and he revealed everything about it. Second thing was regarding her disability. So basically, Pooja Khedkar just to get a different certificates and just to apply UPSC and just to get apply UPSC from the multiple disability quota, she approached different government hospitals. First, she approached Ahmednagar local district hospital. From that specific hospital, she received her visually impaired certificate and mentally illness certificate. So after that, she went to YCM, which is Yashwantrao Chauhan Memorial, situated in the Pimpri Chinchwad near Pune. From that hospital, she received a locomotive, she has a disability and she has defect in her left knee, about 7% on something. After that, she went to Aundh government hospital. Basically, that hospital refused to give her certificate. But we can say Pooja tried to approach different government hospitals just because she can appear in the UPSC and she can appear further. She can qualify in the quota of the multiple disability, and out of that she can go for the IAS rank just because she was 821 rank and. From the non-creamy layer quota, the last IAS rank was the 554 in 2022.
Very interesting. So keep tracking all the latest on that. A lot of questions being answered. And remember, it will have to put to rest because there are lakhs of aspirants watching and wondering if this is more than one. And we hope that's not the case. And we hope that the committee will be able to find a conclusion on this. Omkar, thank you very much and keep tracking all the latest on that case. For now, it's not just about her anymore. Sadly, as the can of worms is opened, there was one video of the mother, Manorama Khedkar, brandishing a pistol using an intimidating tone over a land dispute in what appears to be a farmer. Then there is the father, who's a neta, who owns massive properties and wealth. He's now not been cooperating with the cops, is what the agencies have said. Take a look at this report of how, from the officer, the focus is also now on the family.
More revelations in the IAS Pooja Khedkar case. The IAS trainee had allegedly claimed to be visually impaired in her affidavit to the Union Public Service Commission for the Civil Services exam. But Khedkar made no mention of disability when she sought admission in medical college before that.
उन्होंने NT3 कैटेगरी में एडमिशन लिया था, बिलोंगिंग टू वंजारी कम्युनिटी. तो उसके कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट है, वैलिडिटी है, कास्ट वैलिडिटी और नॉन क्रीमी लेयर सर्टिफिकेट है.
अभी जब वो यूपीएससी अपीयर कर रही है तब उसे मेंटल इलनेस हो या फिर मल्टीपल डिसेबिलिटीज हो, ये अलग अलग दिखाई दे रहे हैं. क्या आपके पास उसका कुछ उस वक्त का मेडिकल फिटनेस के सर्टिफिकेट अवेलेबल है जिसमें ऐसे कुछ उसका जिक्र किया हुआ है?
मेडिकल फिटनेस सर्टिफिकेट तो देना ही पड़ता है, उसका है अपने पास. और उसमें डिसेबिलिटी कोई
इसी फाइल में है?
हाँ है.
ओके.
और उसके लिए डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट कोई नहीं है, इसके लिए सेपरेट सर्टिफिकेट लगता है, वो नहीं है हमारे पास. एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज लिखा है उसमें.
Trouble is now mounting for Pooja's family as well. The Khedkars are now caught in another controversy over a land dispute. The Pune police claim Pooja's parents are on the run and have switched off their mobile phones. Police teams are searching for the couple in Pune and nearby areas. 3 teams have been formed to trace them, but so far the whereabouts of Dilip Khedkar and Manorama Khedkar remain unknown.
उनके खिलाफ पौड़ पुलिस स्टेशन में एफआईआर दर्ज है. वो सिलसिले में हम उनको ढूंढ रहे हैं. उनके पास वो क्राइम के अगेंस्ट इंक्वायरी करना है. और यहाँ आए हैं तो लॉक है उनका घर और उनके मोबाइल नंबर भी स्विच ऑफ लग रहा है.
The situation escalated for the Khedkars after a video showing Pooja's mother Manorama Khedkar threatening a farmer with a firearm went viral. The farmer alleged that the Khedkars had encroached his land and hired goons to beat him up.
Newly launched FIR says that section 504, 506 criminal intimidation has already been added in the newly FIR. But now, interestingly, Traffic Police Department has seized Audi with the beacon. Secondly, Pune CP has issued notice to Manorama Khedkar under the violation of Arms Act.
The police have also seized an Audi car used by Pooja Khedkar. The vehicle was found with a red and blue beacon, a VIP number plate and Maharashtra government written on it, all in violation of the Motor Vehicles Act and what Pooja Khedkar is entitled to as an IAS officer trainee. Pooja is silent on the allegations against her and her family.
जो भी जांच कमेटी है उनके सामने I will keep all my things.
As the search for Manorama and her husband continues, the controversy surrounding the Khedkar family escalates. A government panel is already investigating whether Pooja Khedkar got a disability certificate and non-creamy layer OBC certificate in violation of norms to get selected into the IAS.